Hello, using these colors, let's paint an easy winter landscape. Let's start painting sky. For this, little bit of orange and white mixed with medium yellow is applied using a flat brush as shown. Then at the top portion painted using Prussian blue. And in the middle part, using white, blend both colors as shown. And using a flat brush, apply Prussian blue like this. And fill that portion with the blue color. After that, paint like small mountains using white color and blend it. And at the bottom portion, at first fill it with blue color using a flat brush. Then paint like a small hills using white and blend it downwards, and also highlight the top side of each hill using white. And like this you fill that blue portion with the small hills using white color. And some clouds are painted using blue and blue mixed with white. Then trees are painted using black and Prussian blue like this. And for painting trees I used angled brush. And some detailings are done as shown and highlight using white and blue color. And I hope it is clear, and if you have any doubt regarding this painting, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you like my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.